Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today, in this tutorial we will learn about how we can perform IDOR vulnerability. Let's hack IDOR order tickets. Okay, so currently our security level is low, and over here, how many tickets would you like to order? 15 euro per ticket, and I would like to purchase one ticket, so let's hit confirm. So total amount charged for your account automatically is 15 euros. Now let's order 2 tickets. Okay, so the amount has been changed to 30 euros. Now let's order 10 tickets, and let's do one thing. Let's turn on the intercept in our burp suite and capture this request. Okay, so the burp suite has captured the request, and if you look over here, the ticket quantity is 10 and ticket price is 15. That means per ticket it's going to charge 15 euros. Let's change this amount to 1 euro and forward the request and see what the response is. And voila, we are able to book 10 tickets in 10 euros. So this is how you perform insecure direct object reference in low level security. Now let's change the security to medium. And let's check that if we are able to tamper with it or not. Okay, so the price for one ticket is 15 euros. Now let's make it 10 and intercept the request via burp suite. Let's hit confirm. Okay, so burp has intercepted this request, and as you can see over here, there is no price parameter over here. There is only quantity and action parameter. So they have hidden the price parameter. What if we ourselves add the price parameter? First let's observe it that for quantities, for number of orders, it's using ticket underscore quantity. So it might be using ticket underscore price for the amount. Let's change the price amount to 2 euros and also put an ampersand. And now forward this request. So over here you will see that we have successfully tampered the data and bought 10 tickets at 20 euros. This is how we find the IDOR vulnerability in a website. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today in this tutorial we will talk about what is rate limiting flaw. So this is a flaw which doesn't limit the number of attempts you make on a website server to extract some data. Rate limiting is used to control the amount of incoming and outgoing traffic to or from a network. For example, let's say you are using a particular services API that is configured to allow 100 requests per minute, but if the number of requests you make exceeds that limit, then an error will be triggered. So there are basically 3 types of rate limiting methods that can be implemented. So first one is user rate limiting. It is one of the most popular type of rate limiting flaw. This associates the number of requests that a user is making to their API key or IP. Therefore, if the user exceeds the rate limit, then any further requests will be denied until they reach out to the developer to increase the limit or wait until the rate limit time frame resets. After that, we have geographic rate limiting. To further increase security in certain regions, developers can set rate limit for particular regions and particular time periods. For instance, if a developer knows that from midnight to 8 AM in the morning, users in a particular region won't be so active, then they can define lower rate limits for that time period. This can be used as a preventative measure to help further reduce the risk of attacks or suspicious activities. By doing this, those nocturnal attackers or hackers won't be able to implement rate limiting flaw in the website, as geographic rate limiting flaw has further increased the security. After that comes server rate limiting. If a developer has defined certain servers to handle different aspects of their application, then they can define a rate limit on a server level basis. This gives developer the freedom to decrease traffic limits on server A while increasing it on server B, or many more. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. In this tutorial today we will talk about what is file upload vulnerability. This vulnerability has the highest severity. File upload vulnerability is a major problem with web-based applications. In many web servers, this vulnerability depends entirely on purpose that allows an attacker to upload a file with malicious code in it that can be executed on the server. An attacker might be able to put a phishing page into the website or deface the website. An attacker may reveal internal information of web server to other, and in some chances may reveal the sensitive data that might be informal. Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today we will talk about how we can perform file upload vulnerability in our testing environment. So first, let's set our DVW security at low. Now let's navigate to file upload. As it is saying to choose an image file to upload, let's try to upload an image file over here. Let's browse and select this image file and upload it. Yes, we have successfully uploaded this file. Now to view this file, let's copy this address and paste it over here. Click enter. This was the file that we have uploaded in this website. Now, as it is asking us to upload an image file, now let's try to upload a PHP shell or a PHP file that will execute a function in this website. So, we can upload this file with this command, and what this command will do, it will ask the website to run cmd from the system. So, let's save this file as cmd with PHP extension. And let's try to upload this file. Voila! We have successfully uploaded this file despite it is asking for image file. Now let's copy this directory and paste it over here. To run this command, we need to put a question mark followed by cmd, as we are using cmd as keyword in our program, and let's try to fetch the IP details using the ipconfig command. Voila! We have successfully been able to extract the ipconfig details. Now let's change the security to medium and try doing the same. Let's try to upload the same file. Okay, now it has given us an error that your image was not uploaded. We can only accept JPEG or PNG images. So, to bypass this, we will use burp suite. Now, let's go to burp suite, turn on our intercept and capture this request again. Now, let's hit on upload. As you can see, that content type is application/octet stream. We need to change it to image/JPEG and forward this request. So as you can see over here, we have successfully uploaded this CMD file again. Now let's follow the same procedure to run this file with a question mark CMD, and let's check the IP config again. Voila! As you can see over here, we have been able to extract the IP configuration again. So that's how we perform file upload vulnerability in a website. As over here we were uploading just CMD files with a very small function, but we can also upload PHP shells if the website is allowing us to upload PHP files. So that's a very big vulnerability with a very high severity. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today in this tutorial we are going to see live practical of IDOR vulnerability. So let's see the same. So what we will do, we will search a website, supposedly let's see shop clue. Let's open this. Let's sign in using the credentials. I'll just type my mobile phone number and I'll sign via OTP. So now we are signed in. Let's go to the profile section. It's taking some time to load, maybe because of low internet speed. Let's go again. Yeah, so over here let's go to the bank details. Over here let's add bank details. Now let me turn on my verb suite. If I'll change to send OTP, request has been popped up. Let's send it to repeater, turn it off. Over here if I'll hit go, so email address and phone number has been displayed over here. Now as you can see there is a user ID, so if I'll change the user ID and press go, so someone else's email address and phone number is being displayed over here. Let's check one more. Another user's email address. If I'll change again, so there's another email address. So this is how we perform IDOR vulnerability on live website. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today we are going to see how we can perform rate limiting flaw in live website. So let's see the same. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to turn on the intercept in burp suite. Let's turn it on and let's resend activation request and capture it in burp suite. So now let's first forward this one. Forward it, and this is this resend activation request. Now right click and let's send this request to intruder, or you can simply do Ctrl+I. Now let's forward it and turn off the intercept. Let's go to intruder, positions. First we need to clear all the payloads position and then add one payload position at content length. Over here we will be using sniper attack. So let's go to payload, and in payload type we have to select numbers. Let's search for numbers. Yeah. Now we have to select from 1 to 100 with steps as 1, So the payload count is 100. Now let's start the attack. Let's wait for some time till the attack gets complete. Now as our attack has been completed, so let's check in our mail whether we have received 100 mails for verification or not. Now as you can see over here, we have received 100 mail of recent activation. So this is how we check rate limiting flaw. So that's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial.